The Service CU Business Platinum Card is built for small business owners who want a straightforward card that keeps costs low while still offering solid value. There is no annual fee, so it won't cost anything just to keep it in your wallet, and no foreign transaction fees, which is a big win if the business involves international purchases. The variable APR of 18% is on the lower side for a business credit card, making it more forgiving if a balance needs to be carried. On top of that, it earns a flat 1.5 points per dollar through the uChoose Rewards program, which keeps things simple. No confusing categories to track, and points can be redeemed for travel, cashback, or merchandise. The perks are worth noting as well. It comes with a full suite of Visa protections like auto rental collision damage waiver, purchase security, extended warranties, cell phone protection, roadside assistance, and travel emergency services. These benefits can save money and headaches, especially for businesses on the move. That said, it does have some gaps. There is no sign-up bonus to give an initial points boost, which other business cards often provide. It also charges a 1% fee on cash advances and balance transfers, which could be a factor for those who use those features frequently. And with little detail on eligibility or credit score requirements, it may be harder to know if approval is likely before applying. In short, this card is ideal for business owners who want dependable rewards, solid protections, and cost savings without dealing with annual fees or foreign transaction costs. The biggest risks are missing out on the upfront value of a welcome bonus and paying unnecessary fees if used for cash advances or balance transfers. It is best suited for those who use their card strategically and pay on time to maximize rewards and avoid extra costs.